today, obviously, we are here at the Splatoon Mess Fest in Santa Monica, Los Angeles.
And let me just get these tentacles out of my face. We are going to actually run the Mess Fest course inspired by Splatoon. Several different pieces to emulate aspects of the game.
Yep.
I think we're going to get maybe a bit messy.
Just a tiny bit messy.
Very messy, a little messy.
We're also just going to vlog the trip so you guys can take a look at what we did while we were in LA. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. We are on our way in the car to Santa Monica Pier to go to our rehearsals.
This is indeed a car, and we are indeed in it. All right, so we're about to go on the Mess Fest course. We're going to go down this slide, go through these tires filled with ink, up
that.
down again, target practice, and then turf war.
At the very end.
And then race to the finish.
Yes. So
Yes.
put your bets in now on who's going to win.
No.
Yes.
No.
No, definitely.
Got the height advantage,
I
the
got the
speed advantage,
scrappy short person
the
advantage.
muscle advantage. Just look at that.
Oh,
Look at that definition there.
Please, you're embarrassing yourself. Oh, my goodness. All right, we'll see you guys afterwards. We'll be covered with ink, I'm sure.
Head to toe.
That'll be fun.
Oof. All right.
Yes.
Just went through the course.
It was really crazy.
Head to toe.
Yes, pretty much soaked.
In the end,
You won.
I did win.
Dang it.
Little known fact, I was born in the ocean, so
You're actually a squid.
Yeah.
Your humanoid form.
No longer a kid, now a squid.
What's your favorite one, do you think, or favorite obstacle?
Going down that first slide really gets you ready because you fall into like a deep
Deep
pool
pool.
of the ink.
Yeah. It was like literally
Yeah.
submerged full body in
Right.
ink.
And then I did have a fall
Oh, no.
at one point.
You stole my weapon at
All
one
right,
point.
I did.
That was cool.
Well, I didn't have that over on my side.
Oh no, boo-hoo. I had my first, like, basically moment of I'm gonna lose right at the beginning because I couldn't get out of the pool. Too short to, like, climb out.
I predicted that might happen.
It was also really slippery after you're covered with, like, ink to, like, try to jump out of there. Oh my gosh. The ink did not taste like green apple. It tastes
We did discover this.
terrible. All right, we had fun and we're freezing, so we're gonna get cleaned up and we'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Hey.
Tune
In
to
Nintendo
Minute
every
Week
this
Month
for
amazing
May
videos
all
about
Splatoon.